Hi, good morning everyone. It's me Vardah. Today is the third day of my workshop. Yesterday was the snow day. We enjoyed a lot. Soon I will share that video with you guys. I think it's need to be added. So the second workshop, I asked you guys a question that what power is for you. I will read the comment section and I will update in the video soon too. And guys, please don't ask questions in my Snapchat and Instagram. If you have questions, you can ask me on YouTube comments so that I will know that whenever I'm gonna make a question QA video, I will read that questions comments and then I will answer, because for me it's going to be so difficult that I will go to my social media accounts and then I will see like what is the question message for me and what is like my normal routine messages. So if you have any question, you can ask me in this comment section, okay? So yeah, like I'm getting late. I just have 8 minutes. So you know, the city is so small that I can even walk to my university without getting lost. So basically the city is called the city of students. You can easily find cafes, university, library, buses. Like, it's so easy here. And it's been like my first week and I'm already getting used to
at the roundabout,
everything.
take the...
So here is my university. You can see NTNU. And here is my workshop.
Europolitics. Yeah, that's
This is our president. Hello.
Hi.
That he already showed Trump.
It's just a mini break.
And a lot of people might think that, oh man, did this person...
So now we are going to take our skatings. We took the stuff, now we are on our way to go for skiing. So we are here for skating. But oh my god, it's with water. It's a good idea.
There's no use.
So we decided that we're going to give them back, because you guys see that the whole place is, of course if we are going to do this we are going to fall, and I have protection also, but still even with protection it's not good idea. So I think we're gonna withdraw this decision. We're going to insist her because her she so wanted and she don't want to withdraw this idea, but we are trying our best and we are convincing her to withdraw.
No, don't go here.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Everything is so wet.
So guys, in middle I want to show you the beautiful view. Next workshop, which is future with AI. So let's see, I hope it's going to be interesting for me.
The dangers are also either remarkably dark or simply... To kick you off, we're talking a very potential threat for mass manipulation, which we will hear questions on that.
I would just, before anybody answers, can stop calling it a race.
So after the workshop, now I'm going for lunch. The workshop was pretty interesting for me. There was a lot of questions. I also asked one question that, as being an AI student, I feel like I'm a targeted, because you know, like of course everyone knows how AI is taking jobs and how AI is dangerous. So I receive a lot of questions as an AI student that you guys are being the part of this this campaign and all that stuff. So guys, I just add one thing, that we all know that AI is dangerous. Models are trained. We must need to learn how we need to use the models. Like models are trained, we learn how the algos work. We cannot stop AI, but we can learn how we can use AI. So that's the discussion for today, and that's what I asked them and I add, and I think they like my comment. So the workshops end here now. So now it's a lunchtime. Let me capture the beautiful view. Sometimes I feel like camera is not justifying the view, right? So yes, it's the end of the day. Today was a very productive day. I work with my teammates. Like, first workshop is about some social media political stuff, and then the second workshop is about future with AI. You know, like, basically what's everyone concerned is that AI is going to take over jobs. AI is taking our place. They are going to replace us and stuff like that, which is you know, like, not kind of that true. Still, AI needs someone to use them. Those models were trained, like already trained. We're not going to talk about those models, but the models that are still in process, we have to talk about those. We have the debate on this topic that I don't know, like why we are just discussing about the side effects of AI, the bad effects of AI. Why we're not talking about like what AI gives to us? Like, it literally incredibly benefits we are achieving from AI. Did you ever see the industries, they are getting profits because of AI? Because AI predicts a lot of things and they got benefits from AI. There is a yes, of course, I'm studying AI, so I have to be on the side of AI. I'm not neglecting the side effects of AI. It is dangerous, but we have to train ourselves, because in any ways we are going to use AI. So, like, in the comment section, you can just tell me like how many of you are using AI and what you think, like, AI is dangerous or not. And also, like, AI is going to take jobs or replace humans, like AI is going to replace the humans or not. And yeah, this is the end of the day. Today was such a productive day, and maybe in the night we will plan to go to see the northern lights. I hope we will. Right now I'm so tired, so I'm gonna take a nap. Bye bye, see you in the next vlog.